Hello and welcome to Kiko's Toy Box. Today we're going to take a look at the Blokees Marvel Rivals Jeff the Land Shark. We're going to do a quick unboxing, build, and review video. Hello, welcome to Kiko's Toy Box. Today we are going to take a look at the Blokees Champion Class Model Kit Jeff the Land Shark from Marvel Rivals. It's a really small figure, it's highly articulated, and it's a model kit. Comes with a lot of cool accessories. Has some extra eyes. I don't know. I think this is part of the game. I'm not sure. Why would have different eyes? And it has extra thumb. Some cool water effects. Now let's take a closer look. His mouth is articulated, and that's how you plug in the different tongues. It goes right in there. You can swish it to side to side. His head is in a ball joint. You can do like that. Legs are little ball joints, and they have like has a little cutout, so it has a little bit of more range on the sides, but has a little articulation over here on the paws, and has like little elbows that go back all the way forward. Tail is articulated in 2 points. It's a ball joint here, a ball joint here. This is removable for that little special feature. It has this little water effect. And you plug it in there, and it's like he's cruising through the ground, I think. The little effect it does in the game, I guess. Really cool little figure, very expressive. Eyes are really glossy looking, kind of a little bit translucent. That's great paint apps. That's this little name tag. Very cute looking. Well, comparison with the Marvel Legends scale figures. Let's put his fin back. And it just plugs back right in. Cute little figure, has a lot of details. Like I said, his collar here, it's a nice gold touch there. His little paws are painted. Has some stripes in the back. Overall, very, very cool little action figure. very stiff joints, which is good. Very awesome. So go get yours, Blokees. I got mine from my friend from J5 Toys. Check them out on Facebook. You can get all your Blokees. He's an official vendor. Check it out. Yeah, Jeff the Shark.